Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Another day, another video. Diwali is just around the corner, and if you're looking for some great beauty products this Diwali, I am here for you because these are my favorites. Absolute favorite. All are worth the money, and they're so good that I've been using them like whenever I do my makeup. Also, I've used the same products to do my makeup today. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Also, all the products that I got are from Amazon पे Great Indian Festive Sale अभी भी live है, so this is the perfect time to shop. You get authentic products, you get really good products. Even बाहर की बहुत सारी brands are only available on Amazon, so this is the right time to shop from them क्योंकि आपको offers भी मिल जाएंगे अभी उनमें. So the very first product that I absolutely love और मैंने Instagram पे भी share किया था is a skincare product और ये इतना convenient है यूज करने में लिए कि एक reason तो यही है इसको यूज करने का मेरा. Although it's a clay mask, it is very beautiful and it minimizes your pores. You cleans squeaky clean लगती है एकदम skin after using it. But the best part is that you don't have to use your finger to apply it या फिर अपना हाथ गंदा करना ही नहीं है. It's so convenient to use. So this is the pore minimizing quick clay stick mask from Centella. Centella is one of my favorite brands. इसका makeup remover is also really good. मैं उसका भी link नीचे add कर दूंगी. It's one of the best makeup removers I've ever used. And but अभी इसकी बात कर लेते हैं. So this is how it looks. बहुत ही प्यारा सा पैकेजिंग है इसका. इट्स अ स्टिक पैकेजिंग, सो इट इज़ वेरी कन्वीनियंट टू यूज. जस्ट ओपन इट अप एंड एक और प्रोटेक्टर इसमें दिया हुआ है, बट मैं ऐसे निकाल देती हूँ उससे. एंड देन दिस इज द मास्क. आई हैव बीन यूजिंग इट सिंस आई थिंक पूरा महीना हो चुका है एक. एंड दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. बीच में क्ले पार्टिकल्स है एज यू कैन सी. लुकिंग फॉर अ गुड क्ले मास्क यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो ahead and buy this. Moving on to the next favorite product that I've been using. It is recommended to me by my sister. This is the Dalba First Spray Serum. Now this is a serum that you can use after your skincare to get that glow, or you can use it even after your makeup is done to as a makeup fixer. It works beautifully. All you have to do is just shake it up. इसमें ऊपर से oil होता है तो वो separated रहता है initially, but once you shake it up it is ready and then you can spray it onto your face. It gives that beautiful glow. You can see मैंने अभी makeup करने के बाद यही use किया and just see the glow. You see it? It's really good and it is also a one-time investment. एक बार में लो and just use it and you will feel the difference. This will not disappoint. Okay, I don't know how many of you know, but I am not a foundation girly. I never use foundations because मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा heavy लगता है और मेरा होता है कि मैं कब निकालूँ इसको. बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ लगा लिया है मुँह पे. So I prefer not using foundations unless I'm going to a wedding और कुछ ऐसा. वरना daily wear में I do not use foundations. But this is the base that I use. It is again a very good investment. This is the Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base and this is just crazy good. It feels so good जब आप as a base लगाते हो. My skin feels so hydrated and इसके ही ऊपर I use my concealer and that's it. So this is something that you can definitely try. One time investment, absolutely worth the money and I had seen a lot of influencers promoting it in the past and इसीलिए मैंने ये खरीदा था. But it is worth it. It is 100% worth it. एक बार लेके देखो. इससे छोटा version भी I think आता है. You can try using that one before. But you're going to love it. Moving on, I use concealer जैसे मैंने बताया. Right now I'm using this Lakme का concealer. This is like value for money. It's not that expensive. It blends beautifully and someone who has dry skin again like me can definitely use it. वही base के ऊपर I apply it and बहुत ही smooth और seamlessly blend हो जाता है ये. Next is a product which is like a combination of a bronzer, a blush and a highlighter. तीनों चीज़ें आ जाती है इसमें and that's why I got this. And this is very handy. आप अपने पर्स में ले जा सकते हो. ट्रैवल के लिए बहुत कन्वीनियंट है बिकॉज बहुत छोटी छोटी स्टिक्स है विच वर्क रियली वेल. सो दिस इज द न्यूड स्टिक्स फ्रॉम आई थिंक ब्रांड का नाम ही न्यूड स्टिक्स है. या सो दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट एंड इसमें 3 प्रोडक्ट्स है. आई विल शो यू. This is how it comes. Again, very travel friendly packaging. DC tubes like this and one of it is a bronzer, another one is a blush and then the next is a highlighter. तो आपको तीनों products मिल जाते हैं. मैंने यहाँ पे लगा के भी try किया हुआ है. बहुत seamlessly blend भी हो जाता है. मैंने यही लगाया और इसके ऊपर डालबा वाला लगाया है. So you can see the glow right over here. It's crazy. It's crazy good. So if you need one product जिसमें तीनों चीज़ें हों, go for this. Absolutely worth the money. और डब्बे पे they have provided a mirror as well. So बहुत ही प्यारी packaging है. Very convenient and very easy to use. मूविंग ऑन टू द लिपस्टिक, अगेन मैं बहुत बार इसकी बात कर चुकी हूँ. दिस इज फे ब्यूटी का लिप विप, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट लिपस्टिक्स दैट आई हैव यूज्ड, मैट लिपस्टिक्स दैट आई हैव यूज्ड. अगर बहुत ही ड्राई लिप्स है तो यूज अ लिप बाम बिफोर यूजिंग इट, अदरवाइज इट इज अ ब्यूटिफुल मैट फिनिश. एंड दिस इज द वन दैट आई एम यूजिंग राइट नाउ ऑल्सो. यहाँ पे भी मैं दिखा दूंगी एप्लीकेशन, बहुत ही प्यारा है एंड द कलर इज रियली गुड. I do want to try other colors as well. This is one of my favorite colors. If you love brown shades, you can definitely go for this one. I'm going to add the link. अभी मुझे color का shade का नाम नहीं पता है, but मैं link में of course डाल दूंगी description में, so do check it out. The last product, which is absolutely one of my favorite hair care product. मैं बहुत hair style करती हूँ, as you can see right now. Also, I've used Dyson to curl my hair, sort of थोड़े loose curls करे हैं मैंने. And after using a hair styling tool, I get a lot of frizz. So to tame this, I use this one. This is the L'Oreal Paris Serum with 6 precious floral oils. And this is the last step of your hair care, by the way. आप hair style करने के बाद इसे use करो तो it works the best because you know it really mends your flyaways or everything. तो इसीलिए this is a must have product. ये एक तो greasy नहीं लगता है बालों में. It is very lightweight to use. I'd used it right now and you can see बहुत ही फ्लोई लग रहे हैं मेरे बाल, बिल्कुल भी चिपचिपे नहीं है, ऑल्दो काफ़ी मात्रा में मैंने यूज़ किया है. एक पम्प, रब इट ऑन योर पाम्स एंड देन अप्लाई इट लाइक दिस and then I apply it like this and I'm sorted. That's it. Those are all the products that I have been loving, all the value for money products that I've bought. You guys can definitely try them out and let me know in the comments if you've used any of these. Give me your reviews as well. I absolutely love it. If you want to try it out, all the links are in the description. Go for it. And if you like the video, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon. I will see you next time.